In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to contact LinkedIn customer service. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to this link, linkedin.com/help/linkedin/solve. So once you're on this page, you're gonna click on this option, get help from us. So once you click on this option, you're gonna be redirected to a page like this. Here you'll have to click on others, and then here you'll have to type in support. So once you type in support, you're going to scroll down until you see this option, create a support ticket. So once I click on this option, I have to start filling up the form. So now I'm going to give my email. So I'm going to give any alternative email, which is not my current email. So I'm going to give my other email. I'm going to give the type of issue I have. So let's say it's related to profile. I'm going to give a description. So let's say company pages. You can choose all whatever you want to choose, so related to your issue. You can add your question here, and then you can add an attachment as a proof, and then you can submit, and then you'll have to wait until they respond to you on your email. If this email does not work, they're gonna email on your alternate email. So yeah, so that's how you contact LinkedIn support. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.